Chasing super strong, shiny, and smooth hair can be an endless affair. Treating your hair to the luxury of a deep condition is exactly what can do all these wonders. So, we made a list of 4 moisturizing, all natural conditioners that will lengthen and strengthen your hair. Deep conditioning treatments instantly make your hair easy to manage, keeping breakage at bay. Packed with moisture-loving ingredients, they reverse damage, frizz, and repair it from within. Practicing deep conditioning once every 2 weeks is more than sufficient, as over-conditioning can flatten your hair. All of these concoctions should be kept for 30 to 40 minutes for best results. Hibiscus powder, which comes from the crushed petals of the plant, is excellent for decreasing shedding by deeply conditioning the hair with its amino acids. Apart from this, it also adds much needed elasticity and strength. Take 3 tablespoons of this ultra nourishing powder, 1 tablespoon of our favorite aloe, and 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Apply this on clean, damp hair and wash it off for hair that screams with a blinding shine. This rich, creamy concoction is a personal favorite. Rice, as we know, is not just an excellent conditioner that makes your hair baby soft, but also drastically helps in lengthening it. For this rice pack, you'll need 3 tablespoons of boiled rice. Remember, this needs to be mushy. 1.5 tablespoons of argan oil and 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and mash them. Blend these hair-loving ingredients till you achieve a milky and creamy texture. Apply this on damp hair, section by section, and rinse off for soft tresses. From your fruit basket to your hair, banana and papaya make an unbeatable conditioning duo. Apart from smoothing the appearance, it also is rich in potassium, a shortage of which can cause hair fall. Bananas contain silica, which makes your hair stronger and thicker. Take a bowl of sliced ripe banana and papaya each and blend till you get a smooth, clumpless mix. Remember, if the paste isn't smooth, it's going to be a hard time getting the fruits out of your hair. To this, add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. I like to apply this with a hair coloring brush all through my hair. Remember to wash it off with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. This simple 2-ingredient conditioner involves yogurt and honey. Yogurt has lactic acid, which moisturizes, hydrates, and prevents frizziness. Honey helps add shine and luster to these strands. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey to a cup of yogurt and apply it all through your hair. If you do have dandruff, squeeze in some lemon juice as well. Apply and rinse with warm water. So sit back and relax and let the magic of these natural ingredients do their job. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.